Hello guys, review Motorola Moto G15 Power. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. Start unpacking, open box, look completion. We have protected back, protected case, documentary and key for SIM slot, adapter for charging to 20 watt with quick charge, and Type-C cable. That's all completion. Okay. Now talk about device. We have leather cover, leather back cover, plastic, power button and warm buttons, triple camera, or it's double camera and it's fake camera. Okay, downside Type-C port, speaker, and we have headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. Display Full HD Plus resolution, 60 Hz IPS matrix, 6.7 inch. Open settings. We have Android 15, okay, MediaTek Helio G81 Extreme CPU, and open tests. Open Geekbench 6, Mali G52 and look results. Single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay, look and auto benchmark. And auto benchmark score, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load and works on the medium graphic level and works good. Okay, close this. Now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.